Hey guys, my name is Race and I'm one of the co-founders of Outlive Creative. We're a full-service photo and video production company based in Phoenix, Arizona. Over the years, I've built hundreds of estimates using spreadsheet calculators I found online, but I was never 100% satisfied with any of them. One of the big things for me was that they just didn't look good, so I started designing my own template and it's been evolving over the years. It's a good balance between form and function, and I want to be able to offer it to other creatives who appreciate the aesthetics. I designed this template based on our business and how we function. It helps me streamline the estimating process by going through each phase of what we offer from start to finish, making sure we don't miss any potential expenses. It's broken down into sections which include story development, pre-production, production, talent and model expenses, post-production, equipment rentals, location expenses, licensing and usage rights, travel expenses, project management, and even taxes. The calculator is super easy to use and can be customized to fit your brand. You can easily change the rates and profit margins to reflect your pricing. As you go through the calculator, you'll find totals for each phase automatically calculated, as well as your total profit. As we continue to navigate our business through this world of production, I'm constantly updating this template based on new challenges, opportunities, and insights. Thanks for watching this brief rundown on our production calculator template. This thing is a huge time saver and valuable asset to our brand. Let me know if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions in the comments below. Cheers.